The Newtown School, Kolkata. Welcome to the Newtown School, Kolkata, India's first IGBC Gold Certified Green School. The school aims at nurturing education and creativity among the children.
Hello, I welcome you all to the Newtown School, Kolkata. This is one school which has a unique blend of traditionality with the modern forms of education. We believe technology is the one thing that is going to fortify a child for her future. Along with that, communication skills, the right exposure to art, culture, sports, and of course academics. We also believe that values or building the right value skill sets within a child will make him the right citizen for the future. We have our labs and the other facilities wherein each and every child gets her due share to experiment, to explore and to learn. Come, let me take you through to our school. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you.
All air-conditioned classrooms are equipped with child-friendly furniture, smart boards, and latest digital infrastructure. The Senior Resource Center has a vast and updated collection of periodicals, journals, magazines, newsletters, reference books, and more than 6,000 fictions and non-fictions. At the Junior Resource Center, students can easily select the books of their choice, interact and learn with peers through storytelling and enactment sessions. The physics lab is installed with well-calibrated modern equipments and excellent research facilities. The chemistry lab is a unique laboratory with safety measures in check and with an enhanced environment to help students work in groups and individually. In the biology lab, students can explore the subject with guidance from excellent mentors and implement their ideas. The math lab is equipped with curriculum-specific kits to fortify concepts, to make calculations and problem solving a fun experience. The language lab helps to develop linguistic skills through speaking and listening. The robotics lab has ample facilities and equipments like Lego kits, which help students observe and practice scientific concepts using the writing software. In the 3D AV lab, 3D videos enhance learning in the simplest and enjoyable manner. Mac workstations are upgraded with latest softwares and research tools for exploring skill sets. 3D printing lab helps to design 3D objects, geometrical designs, exciting concepts, and to create tangible figures. iPad lab, interactive learning via gadgets which improve learning of thematic, linguistic, and numerical concepts. Sky Theatre Animation Studio enhances the child's creative mind, helping them to develop drawing and storytelling skills in digital form. Sculpture Studio is where students learn about shapes and space management via model creation and pottery. Art Lab is the space where color concepts, shapes and lines come to life. In the dance room, students enhance their skills through various forms of dance. Through the Quality Circle time, children learn to retain information longer, enhance memory, develop self-esteem and build academic success and problem-solving skills. In the music room, children learn music from the experts and experience the beauty of melodies. Latest modular layout characterizes the basketball court, which conforms to the best international standards designed to give optimum exposure to students. The football complex, which facilitates six-a-side tournaments, boasts of latest amenities like state-of-the-art AstroTurf dugouts and floodlights and is a unique adornment to the sporting cap of the school. The swimming pool is equipped with advanced water purification technology, enabling an excellent training environment. A double-player squash court facility under the able guidance of excellent coaches. Table tennis is housed in a gigantic air-conditioned indoor sports arena. Here, students improve badminton skills with modern coaching techniques. The school has an 8-lane, 10-meter rifle shooting range where students are coached by experienced coaches. The junior play area is an exciting place with seesaws, slides, swings, mini toy houses with shock-absorbing, child-friendly floors. The multi-utility, spacious theatre-style auditorium has been designed for orientation, parents' meets and a host of cultural and academic events. A healthy menu and delicious food makes the cafeteria the favorite spot for the children. In the chess club, students analyze, plan strategies and tactics to discover the power of chess. Photography Club is where students become ace photographers with a fine blend of theory and practical classes. Self-defense helps the students to master different techniques of movements such as kicks, punches, cuts, and hooks. In the Astronomy Club, students explore astronomic bodies from subatomic particles to superclusters of galaxies. The Theatre and Drama Club enhances the acting and drama skills of the students. Literary and Creative Club helps in understanding, structuring and presenting a story, essay and other literary creative works. Vedic Math enables students to process calculations using different kinds of interesting methods to solve questions. In the Design Club, students learn aesthetics of designing to explore self-expression and presentation skills. Science Club inspires students to plunge into a world of curiosity and innovations through science. The Quiz Club helps students to brainstorm, research, and to remain abreast with the world.